Have you ever had a dream that you had?
You go first. Is it rolling? Oh, something happened. Oh, we missed it. That's intermediate. Oh, there's two? Okay, that works. I didn't know that. You know what time it is. I gotta pee again. I got to pee. It's like the 15th time. I'm not joking. Like, I really have to pee. Woo-wee, baby! Let's get it, Mike. That guy was helping me with my bike, so I want to help him. It's the least I could do. He's just keeping his upper body over. He needs to drop that head. Let's catch Mike. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Dropping that elbow, upper body. That's what I love to say, Mike. Yes, Bo. Yes. Get up. Woo! Oh, my God. We got another R1. Buddy, you got this. Your toes are tapping. Put that foot up, please. You got this. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, I love to see it. He's not even pulling his legs off. Why is he not dropping his leg? Wait, hold on. I gotta change the mode.
Yo, one more lap, one more lap, one more lap.
Let's get it. Me?
Yeah, you.
Why?
Whoa, guys. Before I end this video, because I do want to say something. This video was made months ago. This was before I actually broke my wrist, which is now sort of kind of healed. I do want to say something before, because I think it's a valid time to say something important. What I found out, the other R1 rider in that video, I'm not going to like clickbait it or anything, but anyone that made it, I want to tell you guys something about that rider that I did find out. Now, take this with a grain of salt, because I didn't actually talk to the rider, but what I was told was that rider, the reason why he wasn't dragging his leg or moving his lower body was because he was paralyzed. At first, you're just like, whoa. But, you know, when you sit there and you think about it, he's paralyzed and he's smoking me. That is inspirational in itself, but it's just amazing to see how strong someone can be. You know, even when life doesn't go your way and something happens, you can still live it. And I just want to make that clear for everyone. In case you have something that has happened in your life, that doesn't mean that defines you, or that has to be the way that your life will be for the rest of your life, because he's still riding. And I'm sure it wasn't an easy journey. It took strength to get to where he was, and I'm pretty sure he might be a coach, but I was just fascinated and appalled when I found out. It's amazing to see such a skilled rider smoke me. Like, I'm honored, you know what I mean? Like, that was amazing. I was having fun. The whole day was, honestly, it was just me out. My bike was broken. It was after my first crash, and I was still trying to fix my bike, and I couldn't get it fixed. I was up there on her bike, and I love her R1, and it's just a stupid amount of power, so it's just fun. And I was just kind of like having fun the entire day. I wasn't like too focused on like learning. I was just kind of just going with the motions, having fun, talking a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My next video, for all the people that don't like the music, I do have another video probably dropping next week that's probably not going to have music, and it's literally for all the people that love R1s and love that cross-plane sound. It'll be in that video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like if you had a good time, turn on that bell notification so you get notified next time I'm here. We'll be back with some more action. Star is ready to get stunted. Focus. Focus. Star is ready to get stunted. And Blue, I'm not going to say too much. You guys have to wait. You guys have to wait. I promise. Bye!